What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and today, guys, we're doing an unboxing for you. We have the box by ShopFashionsta. It's sticking out, guys. I just got this in the mail on today, which is Tuesday. And I'm filming this for you guys for Monday. So if you guys want to see what's in August, the box, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get this box or nah. Hello, loves. Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible, guys. As y'all can see, your girl is not having a good day with my face wise. I have a breakout. I have a bump here. I have a bump here. And now I have this wicked rash all over my neck. I don't know what I had on, but it's like, ooh. So if it looks dark there, it's because I don't know what that is. It's like a rash, guys, but don't stare at it, okay? Now that I said it, I know you guys will, huh? Of course you will. Today, guys, we have the box by ShopFashionsta for the month of August. I'm going to do some shout outs, specs, and then we're going to unbox it and we're going to be done. I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. For drink today, we have some water because I'm trying to clear up all of this that's going on. And it looks like I've been strangled, huh? No, I have not been playing with seductive pleasures. Let's take a dance break and a drink break and unbox, boo. So this box is $24.99 each month. This is a beauty and skincare box. You're supposed to get 5 to 7 full-size products in this box, and it's supposed to have a value of $100 to $150. This is a charitable box that always gives back, and we're about to see what we got this month. So let's get the box cutter and cut her open. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like, guys. This is the card that comes with it. It's on the front here. It tells you a little bit about the box, and it donates to the 1736 Family Crisis Center in Los Angeles whenever possible. On the back here, they give us a list of all of the products that we received in the box and the retail value of each along with the total. So I will put that down below for you guys on the screen. So let's see what we got. All right, so first up, guys, I'm pulling out. This is from Cleo Cosmetics. This is a Korean-made product, and it's in the shade Red Cherry. Okay, well, they have writing on this side of the box, guys. I don't know if you can see that. I will not even attempt to read it, and yeah, no. So let's open it up and see. It is taped. Ooh, okay. So when we pull it out, guys, this is exactly what it looks like right there. Is this beautiful red-like powder. It says melting lip powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. Okay, in the shade Red Cherry. Cool. This is a melting lip powder, a capsulized lip product that transforms pigmented powder into a long-wearing lip tint with a deep matte finish, thanks to its hero ingredient, vitamin E. Okay, using your fingertip or included lip applicator, melting lip powder can be applied to the eyes or cheeks for a flush of natural color. Okay, and it's paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free. That's what it looks like, guys. I don't know if I want to open this. I think I do. I've never heard of this before. That's what the little applicator looks like right there. I'm gonna swatch it, even though I probably will end up giving this to my niece, but let's see. Oh, okay. So it does swatch like a powder, and then it goes on a really matte. Oh, I do like that. Okay, I do like this. Look at that. And that's a good old hooker red. So I might just keep this for myself, boo. Yes. Okay, so this is very different. I'm very excited to get this. And it retails for $20, guys. Next product that I see, oh, it has a little dust from the things on it. It's from Dirty Lamb. like L-A-M-B, lamb. And this is the Ultra Day Serum. It's a non-greasy formula with a smooth finish. And that's what the bottle looks like right there, loves. And in here you get 1 fluid ounce of product. So on the back here, it says how it works. It brightens up your day and your skin with a powerful blend of fast absorbing oils. Rice bran oil, which is Japan's aging secret, okay, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. You're gonna apply 2 to 3 drops, warming between the palms of your hands, patting onto your face and neck. Keep the glow going at bedtime with the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. Okay, let's see what this baby retails for, guys. This retails for, oh wow, 44 bucks for 1 fluid ounce of product. Wow. Now, the box did send us a facial oil this month, last month, and the month before. So the box, listen, babe, let's get a little break on the oils. But I am excited to try this one out. Let me smell it real quick, guys. Let's see. Do you think it smells like a lamb? It better not. Oh, it smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. A little. Yes. Okay, cool. So 44 bucks, guys. Next up out the box, we have from Earth Harbor, which I love that brand. This is the Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. And you get 2 ounces of product in here. That's what the box looks like right there, my loves. I hope it focuses in so you guys can see. And let's see. So it says dive into glowing skin. So this must be like a glowing skin type box for this month. I don't know. But this is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. We open it up. Oh, I got a little bit on my lip. Doesn't have a scent, guys, but that's what it looks like. I am going to take a little bit of this. It does not have a safety seal, which I don't know how I feel about that, but it's like a cream gel almost. It does smell good. It smells like, I don't know, I smell some kind of fruit maybe in here, but it does feel really hydrating. Ooh, look at my hand. Okay, so I'm gonna probably get a good use out of this. I love getting moisturizers because I really do need them. So let me see what it says on here. A purely natural replenishing moisturizer that hydrates, plumps, and balances your skin while giving you a mermaid glow. Mermaid's Milk. Is that like mermaid pee? I don't know. Milk could be, never mind. Let's disregard that. Keep going. Mermaid's Milk lightweight creamy formula is packed with concentrated superfoods. It's vegan. It has hyaluronic acid in it, antioxidants that perfectly moisturize, soothe, and nurtures your skin. You can wear it under makeup or alone to let your skin breathe. And this, guys, retails for 42 bucks. Okay. Next up, we have this product, which I have seen before. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And believe it or not, guys, I have this spray. I have the matte formula as well as no, I don't have the dewy, but I do have the matte formula, and I absolutely love Catrice's Prime and Fine sprays. This prepares the skin for improved makeup wear, and it gives you a refreshing complexion. I do like this. This is sold at Ulta, I do know that. And this retails for $8. Make sure you shake it well before you use, guys. It can be used for priming, fixing, or refreshing. I love that. Okay, so let's see that mister. I'm happy to get Catrice. Even though it's $8, it's a product that I know and have used and loved, so that's a plus. Let me see. Ooh, spray a little bit. Ooh, girl. It's powerful, but I do love the mister, and I love the way it makes my skin feel. So I am excited for this. $8, guys. Oh, you get 50 milliliters of product in here. Next up, my loves, we have from Amorus, and this is a 15 shade eyeshadow palette. And this is the Shine and Bright palette. Maybe if I take a drink of water, I can speak right. What y'all think? Yeah, let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Okay, let's see if that works. So this is the Shine and Bright palette right here, guys. And it is 15 shades. And girl, we open it up. We have a mirror. Hey, love. Y'all know I love a mirror. And I want y'all, every time y'all pass by a mirror, look at the mirror and give yourself a compliment. Say, I'm beautiful today. I'm amazing. I want you to make yourself feel good. You know, uplifting yourself is not about being conceited or, you know, just thinking too much of yourself. It's just like a little reassurance thing. So try it, guys. So here we go. I'm going to fold it back. It's a little hard to fold back, but I'm going to open it up. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because I'm going to put this in a giveaway if I can get it open without touching it. And this is the palette right here. It is a beautiful palette. A lot of shimmer shades, a lot of matte shades. This is a beautiful fall palette with the orange shade, yellow, brown. I mean, it's a real pretty palette. I just know that I won't get a lot of use out of it. So I'm going to put it in a giveaway for one of my loves. And let's see what it's working with, boo. How much this is. This, guys, is the, where is it? Amorus Shine Bright Eyeshadow Palette, and it retails for $9. Oh, girl, we got another. Wait, hold up, babe. We got another product. I didn't even notice. Well, I did, but I didn't. Ignore me. This is from Bella Pierre, and this is another palette. Now, one thing I know about Bella Pierre's booty is pricey, and we're gonna open this up and see. This is a color correcting concealer palette. Oh yeah, let me turn it over. We're definitely opening this because I do color correct. Hopefully, if it's shades I can use. Let's see. I'm about to tell y'all right now, B, if it is or it ain't. I do like to color correct the dark areas in my face with a little bit of orange. Sometimes I go underneath my eyes with a little bit of the peach shade to take some of that darkness away. But here we go right here, guys. Outside the plastic, when we open it up, there's like a little booklet in here that tells us step by step what to do right there. Okay, so let's open up the palette and see if it's something we could work with. Oh, and this one got a mirror too. Hey, boo. All right, and this is definitely colors that I could use. Perfect. I love it. I'm so excited about this. I love a color correcting palette. I know a lot of people don't color correct anymore. I don't really see nobody on YouTube color correcting, but I still do from time to time. I'm going to quickly swatch these, and then we're going to be done, guys, okay? So let's see. We're going to swatch. Ooh, they do feel creamy, buttery. That's how they swatched out, guys, right there on my hand. They are very creamy, so I am looking forward to using this palette. And this, guys, retails for, girl, y'all, this retails for $50. $50. What? Okay. I ain't gotta pay for it, so you know, that's good. All right, guys, that was my final product. Let me take a drink. We're gonna recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So, guys, we received the Bella Pierre Color Correcting Palette here. From Dirty Lamb, this Ultra Day Serum here. Catrice Prime and Fine Mist. Cleo Cosmetics, this Melting Lip Powder. Earth Harbor, the Mermaid Milk. And lastly, from Amorus, the Shine Bright Palette. 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Wow, okay. Alrighty. Final thoughts on this box. Well, I'm going to let you guys know, I did reach out to them last month and I asked them, are y'all going to have some more makeup products in your box? Because that was like a huge issue for me. When it first started out, they were, you know, somewhat makeup heavy, and then it just kind of went all to skincare. And I asked them, you know, are y'all going to have more makeup products? And they reached back out and they said yes. And I want to tell y'all, boo, the box, baby, y'all delivered. And not to mention, I got my box early this month. Girl, I'm going to give y'all 1 point just for that. But we got these 2 products and this as makeup. A contour palette, which I'm very excited for. Eyeshadow palette and a lipstick or eyeshadow or blush. Okay. Then we got a Mermaid Milk, a oil, and a Prime and Fine Mister. So 3 skincare products and 3 makeup products. That is a pretty good box for TonyaNicole. I just love an even balance of skincare and makeup. And this is makeup that I can actually use. That makes me feel really good. The Mermaid Milk Pea thing. Oh, girl, I like that. I'm going to get some good use out of that. So I must say I am quite impressed with the box this month. I actually really like it. girl, I know. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw the damn mermaid piss. Y'all, I don't know what my okay. To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? We're going to give the box for this month a whopping 4 to 4.5. I actually really enjoyed this box, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this box, and let me know if you're subscribed. They did a pretty good box this month, I must say. Y'all, I'm running out of places to throw things to, so y'all need to leave me down in the comments some places. I mean, besides the woods, besides mermaid piss, I need y'all to tell me some more places I could throw these boxes to if they're garbage, okay? So that is all that I have, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. This week, guys, my Winner Wednesday will be from Instagram. I'm picking a winner from Instagram. The first 3 were from YouTube, and my last one is going to be a give back to my Instagram people. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. All of that is down below. And that is all, guys. I will talk to you all in the comments and on my next video. I love you dearly. Bye, guys. So a few months back, this company, Irresistible Me, reached out to me to unbox and this wig right here. So I normally wear human hair. I have not had time to really wear the wig much because I have been working so much, and with COVID and stuff, I just really, you know, kind of wore it maybe once and kind of put it to the back. So I will show you guys the construction of the wig though. It is a beautiful wig. Let me sit back so you guys can see the hair. It is synthetic, guys, and it is really long, so it's gonna be tangly, but it is a very full wig. It's super long. I think this is 22 inches long. In the inside here, you have the nice cap. It is constructed really nice, guys. There's a comb here in the middle for the top of your head. And there's 2 combs right here on the side, just to kind of hook your wig here and there. It is a lace front, guys. It is not plucked. That's why I didn't wear it, because I didn't have a lot of time to construct it and pluck it. But I did cut the lace out of the front, and I tried to manipulate it a little bit, but I end up wearing like a scarf around it. But it is a beautiful wig. Again, it is a synthetic wig. It's 22 inches. I do like the way that the wig feels. They have these 2 little fasteners right here, guys, to make the wig tighter if you need be. Like if you have a little bitty head, I'm trying to clip them so it'll be like that. So I do love the construction, and for it being synthetic, it is beautiful hair. I'm gonna put the link to this wig down below, as well as a discount code to get you guys some money off of their site. I also want to show you guys really quickly the hair straightener that they sent over. This is the Black Diamond Professional Hair Straightener. I did not get a chance to open this, but I wanted to show you guys how it looked. It is from Irresistible Me as well. And when we open it up, this is how it comes packaged, guys, like that. And I do love the fact that it has a really nice thick cord right here. This is really, really sturdy, and it comes bubble wrapped. And when you pull it off, look at that, guys. Y'all, look at how pretty that is. This thing is really pretty. I cannot really wait to use it. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And they have a little light here to let you know that it's on. You can raise up the temperature on the side right here with these little buttons and turn it on and off. I do like this. This is pretty. Oh yeah, and you can get a good, nice little grip on your hair. Check out Irresistible Me hairs, because this wig is very pretty, and this flat iron. I do love both of these. Bye, guys.